Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today I'm here again with a new interesting video for Python programming. We are going to learn variables in Python today. So let's start with the definition of variable. What is the definition of variable? Okay. So a variable is a reserved memory location in your computer memory. So that means whenever you assign a variable or create a variable and assign a value to it, it will take some space in your computer's memory and it will be stored there and until and unless you destroyed it. And you can use that value of variable by accessing the variable name in your program. Okay, so in simple language, if I say a variable acts like a container for storing data in programming, that means you can store, if you want to store your name, if you want to store some value, if you want to store some other things, you can simply create a variable and assign those values to that particular variable, and this will be stored in computer's memory for shorter period of time. And whenever you require that value in your program, you can simply access that variable with its name, and that value will be used in your program. Okay, so this is the very simple concept for variables in Python programming. Okay, so the next part is there are some how you can create a variable in Python programming. So there are four thumb rules which you need to follow while you are creating a variable in Python programming. Okay, so the first and the foremost rule is you should create a variable uh, with a letter or a underscore character. Okay, that means you can use letters and underscore characters to create a variable. The second point is variable cannot start with number. That means you cannot create a variable which is starting with a number. That means let's suppose you created a variable name that is starting with a letter, and that is completely valid, but you cannot start with a variable, let's one name, two name, three name. No, you cannot do that, but you can do name one, name two, name three. Okay, so that is not violating the second point if you use the mixture of letter and number, but you cannot start a variable name with only number. Okay, so and the third point is variables are very case sensitive. That means if you have created a variable with lowercase letter and uppercase letter, while you are trying to use the value of those variables, you should use and follow that care that the case of those variable names. That means if you have created a variable in lowercase, you should call that variable using the lowercase name. Okay, or else you might get an error. And the third point is variable name can only contain alphanumeric character and underscore. That means variable cannot be created using special character like hash or at the rate. Okay, I hope these 4 points are very clear to you, and I'll also show you in my program uh, by following each one of these rules and violates each rule and see, yeah, this is giving you an error or not, right? So we'll see this right away, and let's go for creating a variable. So there is no special command in Python to declare a variable and assign a value to it. You can simply name a variable and give it a value to it, and that value will be stored in your computer's memory, and that can be used whenever you required it or whenever you try to access that value. Okay, so now let's go to our code editor and we'll try to write some program and follow these four thumb rules. So now I am into my code editor. I'm using PyCharm for my programming. If you have something different code editor, that's completely fine. You can follow the script, there will be no issue. If there is any issue, you can simply comment me below. All right, so I'm just creating a new file over here for my variable, and we'll use try to run some program. Okay, so okay, so let's suppose if you how you can create a variable. Okay, so if I want to create a variable, I need to keep in mind those four thumb rules uh, and assign the name of that particular value. So let's suppose I'm creating a variable with a name. my variable name is name. Okay, and I'm writing here. Okay, so I have created a variable called name and given it a value in blogging script, right? So my variable is created, and I have not violated any rules into that from the four thumb rules. I have created my variable name with a letter, and it's not starting with any number. It doesn't have any alphanumeric character in it. Okay, now if I want to access the value of this variable, what I need to do, you can simply type print step function and access the name of this variable. And let's go ahead and try to run this program and see if you're getting error or not. So I can see there is no error we have encountered here because my variable name is following those four thumb rules and there is no issue in it. Okay, so now let's do one thing. We are allowed to use a special character, right, in our variable name. So let's give it underscore before the name of the variable and try to access the same variable it. Now we'll run this program again and we'll see if we're getting any errors or not. Okay, so still there is no error. That means you can use underscore character following the rule, there will be no error. And the third rule is uh, variable name cannot start with a number. Okay, so let's suppose I have given it a number 1 2 3 and name, and that means it's starting with a letter. Okay, and now I'll try to access this variable name, but let's suppose let's run this program and see the error what we are getting. So we can see that we are getting syntax error, invalid syntax on line number 4. That means we cannot start a variable name with a letter, but yeah, we can use letters into our variable like this. Will not get any kind of error. Let's run this program again. So there is no error, you can see. Okay, and the third rule is variable is case sensitive, right? So let's suppose my variable name is name. It's written in lowercase character, and let's suppose let's try to access the variable name with some different name. Okay, so this is not a different name, this is also name, this is also name, but I'm using uh, not using the same case with this variable name, so I should get an error as per the four thumb rules, right? So I'm getting name error, name is not defined. That means this variable is not used anywhere in my program. Okay, so let's suppose let's change this to first letter to capital letter and try to run this program. I should not be having any error right now, so there is no error at all. Okay, so the fourth point now is you cannot use any special character. So let's do create any special character, add the rate to here and try to run our program. Will not be having able to run this. There should be an error, invalid syntax. Okay, so I hope the four thumb rules is very clear to you. The first thumb rule is you can you should create a variable with letters or an underscore character. The second thumb rule is um, you cannot start a variable name with letter, and the third thumb rule is you cannot access a variable um, because it's case sensitive, and the fourth thumb rule is special characters are not allowed in the variable name. Okay, so I hope the concept is very clear to you. Let's give you some more example and show you what more kind of variable you can create. Okay, so you can create, let's suppose, a variable name. can type like this. You can use underscore. You can use underscore after that. You can use underscore in the middle. There will be no error at all. Okay, and you can use capital letter as well, like this. You can use that. You can use numbers in it, but you cannot start with number a variable name. You cannot use write a variable name starting with a number, but yeah, you can use numbers with variable names, but not in the very starting, right? So, and you can also create a variable like name underscore a underscore m underscore. You can also create a variable like this, and there will be no error for sure. Okay. So I hope the concept is very clear.